Alright guys, in this tutorial we will be teaching you how to sublimate on eyeglasses cases. So guys, if you like to sublimate, please like and subscribe to this channel. And also guys, if you have any questions about anything that we don't cover inside the video, please leave a comment. And guys, let's get started. Okay, what we want to do is we want to put this image onto our glasses. First thing we want to do is we want to measure the actual sublimation part. Now, oftentimes, once you measure it, you can just go ahead and plug that into Photoshop, and you can set up the diameters inside the Photoshop application. But also, you want to make sure that you mirror your image. You want to make sure that you mirror your image, because when you lay it flat onto the actual surface of the sublimation, you do not want your image to be reading backwards. So you do want to make sure that you mirror your image. And another thing that we found is you also want to make sure that your letters or your words don't come close to the side. You want to make sure that the only thing that is coming up close to the edges is the actual is background. That way it can bleed over and bleed through, and it can give you the perfect cut. Because if you have your words on the edge, then you can easily cut off your words, and you don't want to do that. So here you've seen that we actually cut it. We actually put it onto the case itself. And the next thing that we're going to get ready to do is we're going to get ready to actually put some heat tape on here. We add the heat tape just to make sure that the image does not shift and that it gets planted on there perfectly once we start our press. Now we can press the sublimation onto the actual glasses case itself. Now in doing so, what we're doing here is we want the heat press to be at 380 degrees, and we want to press it for 50 seconds. Okay, and now we're done. So if we remove the Greatblanks paper, you'll see here that it's printed on there correctly, and because we have the image mirrored, it's not backwards. So you see how when the letters look backwards on the actual print paper, but here it's not backwards because we had the image mirrored. That's why it's really, really important to mirror your image. And this is how it looks, guys. If you want any more help with anything sublimation, guys, please subscribe to the channel, comment under this and tell me if this is something that you like. Tell us if you need help with anything, and also subscribe and like the channel, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching.